The deadlift, a compound weightlifting exercise, is not like any exercise. It's a power movement that involves lifting a loaded barbell or other weight off the ground to a standing position. This exercise is considered one of the most effective for developing overall strength and muscle mass, making it a must-have in your fitness routine. In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about the deadlift, from how to perform it to the most common mistakes. So stay tuned to get the full benefit. The deadlift is a true full-body exercise, engaging multiple muscle groups from your legs to your back. Let's dive into the specifics. The primary muscle activated during a deadlift is the gluteus maximus. The glutes, specifically the gluteus maximus, are the powerhouse muscle responsible for hip extension in the deadlift. They initiate the lift by driving your hips backward and upward as you lift the barbell off the ground. Strong glutes are essential for maintaining proper form and generating the necessary force to lift heavy weights. Additionally, well-developed glutes can help to improve posture, stability, and athletic performance in various activities. It also engages the hamstrings. The hamstrings, a group of 3 muscles located on the backside of the thigh, are critical for both hip extension and knee flexion. They work in synergy with the glutes to power the initial drive off the floor during the deadlift. Additionally, the hamstrings help to control the lowering phase of the movement, preventing excessive hyperextension of the knees and protecting the lower back. Quadriceps. The quadriceps play a crucial role in stabilizing the knee joint throughout the deadlift movement. They also contribute to hip extension during the initial pull from the floor and help to lock out the knees at the top of the lift. While the glutes and hamstrings are the primary drivers of the deadlift, the quadriceps play a significant supporting role in ensuring proper knee extension and overall lift mechanics. It also engages various back muscles, but mainly the erector spinae, latissimus dorsi, lats, and trapezius. These are a group of long muscles that run along the back on either side of the spine. They are responsible for supporting and maintaining a neutral spine throughout the lift. The erector spinal work isometrically throughout the deadlift, meaning their length doesn't change, but they contract to generate tension and stabilize the spine. This is crucial for preventing injuries to the lower back, which can be a common concern with deadlifting. Strong erector spinal muscles also contribute to good posture and can improve core stability in other exercises. Now let's know the benefits of the deadlift, and don't forget to like the video. Full body strength. Deadlifts engage a wide range of muscles, including your glutes, hamstrings, quads, lower back, upper back, traps, and forearms, making it a highly effective exercise for developing overall strength. Increased muscle mass. The deadlift stimulates muscle growth, particularly in the posterior chain muscles, leading to a stronger and more muscular physique. Improved athletic performance. The strength and power developed through deadlifts can translate to enhanced performance in various sports and activities. Stronger bones. Deadlifts can promote bone growth and density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Mental fortitude. Regularly lifting heavy weights can build mental resilience and discipline. Functional strength. The deadlift mimics movements used in everyday life, such as picking up heavy objects, making it a practical exercise for improving functional strength. Looking forward to racking up all these benefits of deadlifts? Let me know in the comments and like the video. The deadlift is a powerful exercise, but it's also one where form mistakes can easily lead to injury. Here are some of the most common mistakes to avoid. Incorrect stance. Feet should be hip-width apart, toes slightly turned out, and the bar should be over mid-foot. Too wide or narrow, a stance can compromise balance and power. Rounded back. Maintaining a neutral spine is crucial to protect your lower back. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and core engaged throughout the lift. Hips too high or low. Starting with your hips too high turns the deadlift into a squat. Starting with hips too low puts excessive stress on your lower back. Your back should be flat, and your hips should be slightly higher than your knees. Barbell 2. Far from shins, the bar should be close to your shins throughout the lift. If it drifts away, it puts extra stress on your lower back. Pulling with arms. The deadlift is a hip hinge movement. Drive through your heels and extend your hips to lift the bar, not your arms. Jerking the bar. Lift the bar smoothly and with control. Jerking can strain muscles and ligaments. Hyperextending at the top. Locking out your knees and hips is fine, but don't lean back or hyperextend your spine. Bouncing the bar off the floor. Each rep should start from a dead stop. Bouncing can be dangerous for your spine. Have you been making any of these mistakes or experienced any injury? Let us know in the comments and share it with the community so we all learn from each other. Incorporating deadlifts safely and effectively into your workout routine requires prioritizing proper form and avoiding these common mistakes. Now go start that deadlift session and let me know how was it. Make sure you follow us for more and let me know which muscle group you want to see next. Until next time.